Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi, they feel guilty say he no help one man wey get cancer before the man die. Stanley Osaze say the man brother beg am make he use the Facebook take beg people make dem support his brother so that make he forget treatment. But because of the way some people dey attack am the Facebook, he no come fit do am. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze.
A great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi, the coordinator general Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Osaze Enterprise, in fact the CEO of Oman Edo State. I want to say a very big thank you to you all, and I want to say a big thank you to our ubiquitous God who gave us the opportunity to wake up this morning and to be able to identify what is good and what is bad, and our lapses and how we are supposed to fix it so as to be able to project into a sustainable future. First, I am here today because I am feeling guilty and the need for me to come out openly to acknowledge my fault, and at the same time made fences with those involved has become so imperative. Sometime last 2 weeks, an ardent supporter of mine from the diaspora wrote and sent me a picture of a young man and a video as well of a young man that is affected by cancer, kidney, something like that. Yes, cancer. He said, please, comrade, use your platform to reach out to people for them to assist us. I love my brother a lot, and I don't want my brother to lose his life. They need to so and so thing, and they need to so and so thing. Please, comrade, I beg of you in the name of God, use your platform. He actually sent me the picture. The wife of the man sent me the same thing and communicated with me. I said thank you. Now I was afraid to post it on social media because Osakwenokwodi have so many persons, not so many persons, some few persons that wants to do everything humanly possible to bring down Osakwenokwodi, and they want to use this as an opportunity to attack Osakwenokwodi. I related the issue on one of my videos. I said, when I thanked all the Edo people one morning, I said someone somewhere is sick or bedeviled by cancer, and the need for members of the public to involve have become so imperative. But I was not able to post it. The reason being that these selected few persons are always looking for opportunity to say, I told you, you see Osakwenokwodi now. I told you, you see Osakwenokwodi now. I told you, you see Osakwenokwodi now. Looking for excuses, all in a bid to bring Osakwenokwodi down. But as of today, I'm feeling guilty because this same man has lost his life yesterday. Imagine what we would have been able to do from 2 weeks back to today. I never knew that the man lost his life. This morning, as I woke, because my network has been down, my MTN network, if I don't know what is happening, anybody that is using MTN now, there is no data. You can't have access to internet. So you can, for those who have been calling me on WhatsApp, it will not go. It will not go through because the network has been down. So the only way I now do WhatsApp is when I connect the network that I'm using on this phone now with the other phone. Then I can have access to WhatsApp. So if you call me on WhatsApp, you must always notice some level of blockade because there is no network on this phone. I pray MTN rectifies it and we have access to the internet with immediate effect. Now, as we speak, why did I feel this guilt in my heart? The same person who wrote me 2 weeks ago and sent me a video said, comrade, I still lost my brother. That was a message. I send you to assist me, comrade. Umawe, you can imagine, I lost my brother. I now apologized to him and told him, please, may so rest in peace, forgive me. And I told him, I pre-informed him with the reason why I did not use my platform to post such. The last one I did about a man that lost his spinal cord as a result of the activities of Mountain of Fire. I noticed what I passes through from the hands of some selected disgruntled elements. The same people who will tell you, oh, don't use your platform to all those guys. I am fighting to ensure that everywhere is okay. When it comes to issue of acting, they will go and use their platform to help. But when the likes of Osakwena Kwodi and others want to use the same platform to help, issues will emerge. Excuse me, please. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning, sir. Okay, open them. Where are they? I know, where are they? Oh yeah, they come quick. No problem. The same people who will say, no, we are protecting this one. When it comes to issue of raising an alarm, they do. As if that is not enough. The wife of because the man stays in the diaspora, the brother who contacted me stays in the diaspora. Why the wife stays in Benin, in Edo here? They did not tell each other that they are going to communicate with me. The wife wrote to me again this morning. I still lost my husband. And showed me the video of the dead man. As we speak, I am feeling pain. I do not know, apart from social media connection, I do not know these people. But if you can know somebody on social media, anybody on social media is not a ghost. Even if some people tend to live a fake life, but for as long as someone is present on social media, you are communicating with such a person, you and the person are friends and you are close. As we speak, I am feeling pain, not just because of the death alone, but because of the role that I refuse to play as a result of the fact that there are some disgruntled elements who is looking for every opportunity to get at Osakwena Kwodi. Even if I have not been able to do anything in respect to this issue, if I had come out on social media to post this thing, believe me, people will help. And I came out on the media to say I want to recommend this group of people to the various foundations in Edo State. And if this foundation as well place this person, people will run out to say, hey, foundation. You cannot do, but you will not allow other people to do what they are supposed to do to impact positively on the life of the people. I'm openly tendering an unreserved apology. Apology is not enough. What will I say? Lawuwu Egwi, where you have lost your family? Lawuwu Egwi. What would that bring? Lawuwu Egwi. Lawuwu Egwi. Is that the case now? When I posted a video of the man who lost his spinal cord, I posted his account, I posted his details, I posted everything about him. In fact, the man was calling me, comrade, a man said on that. I said, you do not need to call me in respect to any time anybody sent to you. They send it to you for you to get a befitting medical attention. Do you know that there was steady cold war against my person for posting that video? Have you taken your time to ask? Osakwinowode posted a video of a man. Osakwinowode promised to follow up with the issue. What is now happening? Why did Osakwinowode back out? Nobody have asked. The man has been calling me, but I think it has gotten to a stage where even if you choose to bring down our reputation, but those with good sense of judgment will be able to distinguish between hate, envy, and reality. Those with good sense of judgment will be able to distinguish between an action that is born out of hate, an action that is born out of jealousy, and an action that is born out of sincerity. As we speak, that man till tomorrow, we have not been able to get in contact. He has been calling me. Now somebody responded by saying, sorry, but we have a government. I want to state something here clearly. Let's be sincere to us. The white man say a system, not even the white man, is the normal definition of a system. A system is the collection of parts or events that can be seen as a single whole thing due to the interdependent and interactions of those parts or events. We have numerous sick people in Edo State. How many will the governor attend to on a personal basis? What the governor will do for you and I is to build a befitting and sustainable hospital, highly equipped. There is no way governor will be going to individual's house to go and be rendering medical attention. If government establishes a sustainable healthcare facility, people should be able to have access to it. So what you and I should be calling on government for is for government to make this infrastructure available. Why those of us who believe that within our capacity we can render an assistance based on our calling and not based on the fact that we want to ask for people to believe that we have the capacity? No, we do not work for public embellishment. We do what we are supposed to do on the basis of the fact that it is driven by our intent and instinct, and not because Osakwinowode wants you to see him as a political demagogue or a man with economic prowess or capacity. No. So what I'm saying in a nutshell, ipso facto, is that we can render an assistance without
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.